Hello, my friends. Today I am at Castaway Cay, Disney Cruise Line's private island, and we're going to do some standing yoga from the balcony of my cruise ship on the Disney Wish. So if you want to have a chair to support yourself, you're welcome to do that. And if not, grab your water and let's do this. Standing nice and tall in mountain pose. We're going to start by lifting the shoulders up and bringing them back. Then we give you a side view. We lift and gently bring them back. Lift and lower. Good. Gently waking up the back, the spine. Three more. Here's 3 and 2 and 1. Good. Bringing our hands towards our back. Gentle pull towards the back, holding on to the fingers or to the lower back. We're going to look up as we do that. Holding here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Releasing the back. Good. We're going to open the arms. Chest is nice and open. And close, bringing our palms together. Opening the chest. Exhale, we close. Continue to let your breath guide your movement. Inhale, we open. Exhale, we close. Beautiful. Here's 5. And 4. 3. 2. And 1. Good. And then shake it out. Good. Bring the arms by your side. Inhale, raise to touch. Exhale, we're going to fold forward as far down as feels comfortable. And then coming to a flat back. And back down towards our feet. Feel free to bend the knees if you need to. Next breath, we sweep the arms up above and into chair pose with a gentle bend on the knees. Coming upright, bringing the arms big circle and down by the sides. Good. That's going to be our standing sun salutations. So let's do 3 more of those. Don't worry, I'll guide you. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, we fold forward as feels right. Half pose, flatten the back. We come down towards our feet. And then we sweep the arms up above and sink into a chair pose. Arms come up and down by our sides. And take a breath. 2 more of those. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. We fold forward. Good. Half fold. And back down to our feet. Good. Sweeping the arms up above. We sink into chair pose with our knees bent. Arms come up, wide, and down by our sides. Good. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Good. 1 more. Sweeping the arms up above, bending the knees, straightening out the knees, And so bringing our arms by our side. Good work. Beautiful work. Taking a breath here. Inhale, bringing the left arm overhead. Reach, feeling that stretch here in our rib cage. Good, bringing it nice and down. Right arm up and over. Good, and back down. Let's do that again. Left arm up and over. And down. Right arm up and over. And down. Good. Bringing the arms together. Hands together inside of the palm. Chin towards our chest. Bringing that overhead as we lengthen. See if you can look up at the ceiling. Beautiful. Opening the arms and down by the sides. Good. Let's do that again. Left arm overhead. Right arm. Hands together. Push out. Chin to chest. Bring that up above. See if you can look up. Open the arms nice and wide and down by the side. Maintenance crew coming in. Once more, up above. And other side. And hands together. Inside of the palm out, chin to chest. Up above. Looking up if that's available to you. And then down by our sides. Good. Shake it out. Good. Let's start working with our legs. So here's an opportunity to grab the chair if you want to have it for support. If not, that's okay. Bringing the knee up. See if you can hold on to the chair if you wish. Or to your leg. And to your leg, not or. Now make sure you're not curving in. You're standing nice and tall. Now option to hold on to the chair. You can hover over one finger or release it entirely. Good. Nice and tall. Head is straight on. Look at a point that's not moving. Let's hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down. Good. Right leg. Same thing. You can hold with the other side. Move the chair over or not. Let's hold here, standing nice and tall. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bringing that leg down. Good. Now planting the legs firmly on the ground, nice and tall. Feel your bones as they stack on top of one another. Here's our mountain pose. Let's take in that sea air. Good. Let's sweep our arms up above and look up at the ceiling. And maybe we can arch a little bit further back with our hands. Good. Feel that strength in your abdomen and in your arms. Good. And gently bringing those arms down. Good. Let's match breath to movement. Inhale. We sweep our arms. Exhale. We bring them down. 3 more. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. 1 more. And good. Now we're going to shrug the shoulders. Beautiful. Okay. So working with our left leg, we're going to work on tree pose. So bringing it as a kickstand there, or you can lift it higher up. Just be careful with the knee. Make sure that this knee, that one that's bent, is pointing not towards the front but to the side. Find your balance. Have that chair to support you if you want. You can bring one hand to the chest, 2 hands to the chest. or up above. Find your balance. Find that point that's not moving. Beautiful. Let's hold here. Let's see if we can go for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Open and release the leg. Going for the other side. Kickstand. Make sure this knee is opening to the side, not towards the front. Finding your balance. Reassessing that you're nice and stable. Bringing the arms above if that's available to you. Let's hold here. Let's hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Releasing the arms, releasing the legs. Great work. Now coming towards the side, if you want to face your chair, on an inhale, we're going to sweep the arms like we did before, but this time we're going to lift the heels. Try to hold the heels up and bring them down. Good. Inhale, we sweep up, we lift the heels. Exhale, we come down. Let's do 3 more of those. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Good job. Now bringing our left foot back, right knee bends, high lunge here. Both of our toes are pointing in the same direction. Inhale, I'm going to sweep my arms up above. Pretend you're holding on to a beach ball. Good. Let's hold on to there. Warrior 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to sweep those hands out in front of our nose. Good. Holding here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. We're going to open the palms. Elbows point down. Nice and tall, nice and steady in the legs. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's close those arms. Bring the chin towards our chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the arms down. Good. Now step forward. Switch legs. Right leg comes back. Left knee bends. You find that your legs are unstable, bring them closer together. Inhale. We sweep up above into warrior 1. Good. Hold on to that imaginary beach ball. Holding here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Bringing those hands out in front of our nose. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bending at the elbows, opening the chest. Holding here. Continuing to breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Releasing the arms, stepping forward, bringing the legs together and pedaling them out. Good. Now working on a wide stance. It goes a banana boat. Wide stance. Toes are pointing towards the front. Hands to hip. We're going to fold from the hip. As little or as much as feels comfortable. And we're coming straight back up. Take a breath. Let's do that 3 more times. Hinging from the waist. And back. 2 more. One more. Good. And back to center. Good. Now we're going to bring those legs a little closer. We're going to bend into the knees. Again, we're going to bring our hands into those cactus arms. Good, right here. Goddess pose. Let's hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, release your goddess pose. Good, shake it out. Bring your legs a little closer. Now we're going to put our left foot in front of our right, like we're walking on a tightrope. Working on our balance here, standing nice and tall. Good. Now feel free to grab onto the chair if you need to. Good. We're going to lift the left arm. Try to keep your legs where they are. Good. And then meet in the middle and switch arms. Meet in the middle. Switch arms. Last switch. Meet in the middle and switch arms. Good. Back to center. Step together. Good. Step it out. Opposite leg in front. Good. Once you're nice and stable, we're going to do the same thing with the hands. Ready? Left arm sweeps up. We meet in the middle. Left arm, right arm comes up. And we meet into the middle. Oops, lost my balance. Here we go. Back to center. Right arm. And center. Once more. Left arm. And right arm. And down. Good work. Good. Nice job. Okay. Now facing your chair or the countertop or whatever you're working on. We're going to extend our left leg out. Good. From there, we're going to put our weight into our right leg. Good. Hold here. Let's hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stepping in. Opposite leg comes out. Putting our weight into our left leg. Holding here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stepping back together. Good. Now we're going to sit in, like we were doing before. Palms face forward. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center. Grabbing the back of our hands like we did once before. This time we're going to place our legs in tandem again. So left foot comes forward. We're going to sit in ever so slightly. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Come back to center. Release the hands. Opposite foot in front. Right foot in front. Hands come towards the back. Let's sit into that ever so slightly. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Releasing the hands. Good. Bringing the hands out in front like we're playing the piano. Good. And circles with the wrists. Good. And the other way. Good. Bringing our hands into prayer hands. We bow to one another. We say namaste. Thank you so much for joining me. Many blessings.